Hello class of 9. I'm just making a quick video to explain to you what Languagenut is. We've used it for the last couple of years and it's been quite useful to students. Now when you've done all your work and I've sent you your username and login details, click on it, put your username, put your password there. Okay, yours will be different to mine. Okay, it won't be an email address. And then you just simply log in there. You want to go to secondary. So you've got those language choices there. Click on German. Now your screen might be different. You might not have the admin area, but you want to go to vocab trainer for now. Okay, and we'll start on the basics. Vocab trainer basics, and then you've got various different topics that you can go to there. Okay, so what we'll start with then is numbers 1 to 20. You just click on that. Okay, and then it takes you to 10 there. Scroll down to 20 and then 30. Okay. So if you want to listen to how it's said, eins. Okay, it's a little bit slow, but you know, actually it sounds like this: eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf. But obviously, this being AI, it's like this.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so you get the idea. It's a little bit dull, but you can also play it like so.
1, 2,
And it's a good idea to repeat what they're saying.
3,
Drei, etc. Okay, so repeat what's being said there. Okay, all the way through to 30. You can go to practice. Okay, you've got translation, noughts and crosses, matching pairs, word pop, and something else. Let me just check on that one. Multiple choice, that's a new one there. Okay, so go to word pop maybe. You can play the game. Whoa, 16, where is it? Boom, there, okay. Okay, when you've got it right, it will get rid of it. Okay. So if you go back to the games, there are various games there. Okay, and then you can test yourself as well. And you've got listening, you've got writing, and you've got speaking. Speaking is good because you'll be on your own, not in the class, so there won't be any noise, but if that's a problem, don't bother with that. Okay, so you can do that. Then if you go back to the vocab trainer, back to basics, 1 to 30, you can do numbers 40 to 100. Okay, that should do us for now until we hopefully get back tomorrow. If we don't, then I'll show you some other things that you can do. Get in touch with me if you don't know what to do or if you have any questions. Good work from a lot of you. Well done. Cheers.